What the fuck are you doing, fam? Don't be going down there. No Inglesi. This might be a dead end, you know, because I've never been.
Hey, I have car. You want?
Yeah.
You're not
Yeah. This part, yeah. Don't be going down there. Come on, cuz. Let's go. Right, listen, we're in a right wagon today, yeah. But shall I tell you what warped me out when I walked into it? So I'm opening the door. My guy here, yeah, he cool to have your face on it.
Yes.
He goes, yo, drive the car. So I sit in here. Tell me why there's no steering wheel. So there's no steering wheel, and then I look at the number plate. I'm not going to show it, but it's some foreign plate, yeah. There's some Morse code on the number plate. What's it? V50
1.8, yeah. 2005.
What's the horses? What's the torque?
Like
Talk to me, bro.
2000 or something? Something like that.
2000 brake.
Yeah.
Fez, that's alright.
Got double turbo and everything.
Yeah.
Self-driving, that's why it hasn't got a steering wheel.
Nah, but it's stock though, innit?
For now, yeah.
Here.
No, it's...
Bro, I said the keys, not the LED controller. Oh, wait, I need to get...
Remember the right one is the clutch, yeah?
Are you being serious?
Yeah. So...
I'm a gullible guy, innit? Right, you're gonna have to tell me how to do this. Wait, oh, this is... Which one's the clutch? Like, dude, this
is first gear.
I drove an auto, I didn't drive a manual. Oh, fuck, I'm doing a manual, you know? Oh, wait.
Got something, bro.
Shut up, man. I'm used to the fucking button, innit? Right, this is gonna take some...
You're in the middle of the road.
No, oh yeah, I am. Yo, this is sick. Nah, this is correct.
Look at the miles on it.
300k.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I don't even know what. Wait, what? I don't speak kilometers an hour in it. So someone translate in the comments my speed. Oh, okay, cool.
30 miles. It's like 100 kilometers. So just do 100.
Bless. You heard the man. What is that smell? Why do your tires stink, mate? They need some deodorant. Gee, I'll be real. This is nice. Like, forget the left-hand drive. This is a nice car to drive.
Definitely.
How old is this?
2005, so it was like 20.
This is what I said in that.
Yeah,
I said it in a video.
How old are you?
21.
21.
Yo, you're even shit, you know. So is mine. Yeah, this does not feel like a 20-year-old car at all. How the fuck do you ever take in this?
You don't.
Fast.
And this is the ejection button. When you press this, the passenger side ejects.
Say on course.
Yeah, but just don't do it.
Ejects from where? The solid roof. Yo, I don't like how unreactive you are. I feel like I wrap around the tree and just gonna be like...
How the tree's gonna get destroyed? It's a Volvo.
Yo, I feel like a proper uncle right now, you know, like a Polish uncle. Kurwa, do you speak Polish? Do you know anything?
Yeah.
Yo, this is a tank. It's so, it's smooth, it's agile.
It's because it's built. Heavy, it's got
it's built well. You probably won't notice it if you're driving this all day. But I'm always in and out of cars, but fucking hell, this is smooth. This is smooth.
Nah, to be fair, I had a Nissan Micra before this.
Yeah, bro, that's
so
like
light, bro.
Tin can. That's why I'm not really that shook to have the head on.
Alright.
I feel like no, I'm not even.
Go ahead, bro.
I can't rag this, man. I'm scared.
What's the worst that could happen?
Nah, I keep forgetting. You know when you get in the zone and then you realise, oh shit. A few people have told me that, you know.
Yeah, but there was no car, so it was good. Except one time I was on the curb and I hit like a 6-year-old child, but he only got...
Yeah, but that is what it is, isn't it?
get 20 points if you're in.
Is that gonna make it?
1 sec. You're stalled. Just redline the whole thing.
Sorry, cuz. My bad.
Let's go, bro. It's a Volvo.
Bruv, you know, shall I tell you what it is? Because you know the cars I drive on my channel?
Yeah.
I don't really care about them, but I fucking forgot it's yours. My bad, genuinely. If I got you, give me a day in here, yeah? And then tomorrow I'd be calm. I'm sure you can relate. Left-hand drive, ah. So this is what all the Americans be hitting gaps in.
Yeah.
What do you prefer?
I like the left-hand drive thing, but
Seriously?
yeah, genuinely.
And you had experience with both?
Yeah, I've had experience.
It does seem right.
Right-hand drive.
Yeah.
As soon as I passed my test, I went to a left-hand drive, and then I was doing left-hand drive for like 8 months. Then I came back here.
That's good then, isn't it? That's fucking diesel power. Falls like a train, mate.
The only annoying thing is the 5 gear. So like on the motorway, you're doing 4,000 RPM.
Gear ratio is alright though. Like it's not always screaming in gear 5, is it? Nah, this is nice. I'll be real, I like your car. I like how it's left-hand drive though. That's shit is weird. Bro, they just look so close. You get me?
It's probably because you're close.
Ah.
Genuinely.
Nah. You know, if I was on that side, yeah, that would have been calm. I would not have hesitated. But it's because I'm here.
Lopsided.
Which one? The range?
Yeah, these.
Yeah, nah, I don't like how it's not symmetrical. You get me?
You just want to crash into it.
Well, we can. Bro, even if we ram it, yeah, I feel like our car would just be fine.
It would be perfectly fine. Bro.
I wish I could explain to the viewers that what this feels like. This thing is so solid. But wait, can I do your wiper?
Yeah.
Blood, why is it that way? Nah, bro, don't be saying this on video, you know, because we've got a lot of 40-year-old men. You know what the problem with my channel is? It deceives people to thinking it's a proper car channel, and then they watch it and they realise it's just a wanker.
No, this is a taxed, insured UK vehicle.
It's got an MOT.
I think so.
Yeah, but you're a mechanic, innit? So I trust you on that. No, you drive, you show me, innit?
That's a nice road, so. You don't see this in, bro. You just see a bunch of.
Nah, trust me, you do. You just gotta drive out a bit, fam.
Yeah, when you're not in, bro.
Yeah, nah. Cause it's definitely manageable. Safe for that, yeah. Wait.
Like that,
I told you I was going to my yard, innit? But then I was gonna just have a shit and all that. Is this a camera?
Too much info, bro. Yeah, that's the camera. Screw that on, and then that tape.
Nah, I don't know how stupid you lot think I am. Heard me earlier. No, I can't lie. The car's actually. I kind of want something like this, you know.
That's what happened to the Ego.
This is the Ego.
Absolute rude.
I'll just show the Volvo, innit?
And then that's the Volvo, innit?
Yeah, this is the Volvo. This is the crash damage of the Volvo. Right, cuz, take me. Show me how it's done, but please don't be mangling me. Are you a good driver? Would you vouch for yourself? Be honest.
We're good.
Fuck it, I'm trusting my man.
Switching sides.
This might be a dead end, you know, because I've never been. Nah, what? How can you see around the corner? Go slow, fam. Go slow. What are you doing? Nah, you're scaring me, you know. I don't get how you can see. Yeah, this is a dead end. Brother, you're cloud seeding. What the fuck are you doing, fam? Yo, and I'm there stressed about your clutch. Oh my god. Fairy dust, G. Wait, brother, I swear you told me this is your daily.
Yeah.
So what are you doing that for? Wait. G. Yo.
You wanna see the V8 in it?
Yeah, whack it open. Yo, I feel like we're in another country. There's a foreign plate. We're in some next field. Where's your thingy at?
Somewhere there. Like, I lost this for like 4 hours.
And you put Chris back on. Ah, you're tapped, you know. Your content is not gonna last long if you're posting yourself doing that. I never thought I'd rate this of all cars. Like, this is some specific car. Cause I can't lie, I'm thinking of buying it. How much you selling yours?
Yeah, you reckon it's a dead end on that side?
Yeah, I don't know. I've never been here. Fam. I don't just drive.
Like,
I was about to get the passenger seat. Yo, can I put my belt on, please? What's up? Let me put my belt. Gee, belt. Yo. Oh, this shit's pissing me off. Why, bro? I'm gonna get hypnotized by this. Yo, this is falling off.
The cameras, come on.
Bro, it's gonna whack your window. I'll be real.
Figure it out, bro. We actually need to turn around because this road's so shit.
Yeah, I'll just wait till you stop then, innit? Because I can't. I'm just sat there, man. Yo, can I let it go?
It's gonna whack you in the face if I accelerate.
Yo. What am I doing in this dingo, fam? Was this 4-wheel drive?
It's front wheel drive.
So what are you doing off? Nah, this guy's different. I think I did it upside down, you know. I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm getting the drone out.
Do you see what I mean? Did you hear that belt? Everything about this car is so... It's just solid. Cause we might as well see the little review, bro. I'll be real, I wasn't even going to talk about the car. I was just here for the drive, but fucking hell, this is the baddest car I've ever sat in.
You could fit like 8-9 immigrants in here.
More than that, immigrants don't complain, you know how it is. Oh, yo, you bought the bloody mechanic shop with you.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? I don't feel like I'm in the UK. There's a farm there, I'm in a field, and I'm in a left-hand drive.
Nope.
You could have parked it a bit, like, you know what I mean, with a bit of respect. Guy handbraked into some ditch, and now he's about to get his drone footage.
There's no trees behind.
Oh, of course, you can see my skin fade.
It's a nice area though.
Yeah, I don't know where we are right now.
Aircraft in warning.
I thought you get.
Yeah,
we're trying to get visuals of the car. Yeah, what are you trying to get?
We're in a
like?
military zone. You know it's got sports mode.
Wait, no, there's an airport near here.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah,
East Mids Airport or something.
Put it in sports mode. Watch this.
Gee, do you see any chimneys? Sports mode. What's it gonna do? 0 to 60.
Yeah, it's genuinely fast. Watch this.
Make sure the traction's off. That's quicker than your Volvo, cuz. Mind you, there's a car YouTube account. You're getting visuals of the crops. Nah, bro, I'll be real. This is going in the video. We do a bit of everything, innit? We appreciate all areas. If you're into farming, we've got you covered. Mother's on some mad software right now, bro. Lots coding in the field, man.
Yeah.
Yo, I should get this in it for POV drives.
Exactly. You can do like a.
You gotta stay in the car though and make sure it stays
like
behind me, innit?
GTA point of view.
Will it keep up with the?
Yeah, but it does 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, but the thing is, your car was doing. I was doing 60 in yours, so what now?
Just don't go 60. Alright, man, that's enough. Get down here.
Can you get a cold visual of me opening it up? Make sure you get this to my email, yeah? Yeah, safe. Yo! Oh yeah, you skunked.
Go in the driver's seat, you broke it.
Okay, my bad, cuz. I tried to apply that for you, but I didn't know which way it was.
So you're an immigrant, bro, you don't know. Were you actually born here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can you not tell by my accent? What do you mean? I've got a British accent.
Nah, but you got a little R3 in you.
Shut up, you twat. Bashing me in your Volvo. Nah. You're fresh, God. It's good, everything good. Your airbags work?
I don't know, never tried them.
We'll find out in a bit then, innit?
Yeah, got them.
Why are you avoiding potholes? Did you see the way you came in? Nah, this is very good suspension if it's hacked to that, because that's like a 1 foot drop. No inglesi.
You're idiots.
No inglesi.
Yeah, sure. Clear off.
Nice.
Come on.
I'm not driving.
Drive, man. Put your foot down on the clutch.
I can't. Why
This
did
is
you?
first
Before
gear.
I found the farmer.
I'm caught. I'm.
You're trespassing.
Bruv, you just dusted.
Yeah, I feel bad. Good afternoon. It's afternoon, right?
These I think were some migrants, bro. Did you see that? They looked at us. Nah, you are.
Nah, we are, bro.
Nah, you are. You in this Volvo. You are. Where you pissing?
I don't know, bro. Range Home Leisure and Garden. Should
Nah,
piss
these
in the
lot
garden.
won't have a toilet. Burger King though.
But they got a garden, bro.
Yeah. Whoa.
My fault.
Fuck.
I can't see, bro. I'm on the other side of the road.
Nah, gee, you scared the shit out of me.